And welcome back everybody. If you want to change the control center in Samsung, let's say control center settings, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So for that you can swipe down from the top of your screen twice or once, then you can just go over and fully open up your quick panel. Once you do so, you will be finding different options here, so you can either look out for the pencil icon or look out for the option of this plus option right here and tap on it in order to go ahead and drag the available control features in your screen from your quick panel. So now in order to add buttons, you can look out for the plus, and at the very top you should be finding the available buttons which you do not have yet. So for example, if I would like to add ChatGPT on my quick panel, you just need to drag and drop it. You can hold it up, drag and drop it wherever you want it. You can even customize it if you want do not disturb in the section. You can swipe up the positions for the control center settings available here, and that should probably do it. You can tap on done once this is done. And even if you would like to look out for your panel settings, you can look out for the gear icon depending upon your One UI version. So tap on it, and once you tap on it, it should open up your settings here. And within your settings, you can look out for options like combining settings, notifications, or quick settings into one panel. That is also available. And if not that, not the built-in feature, there are some other applications which allow you for full replacement, such as go to Play Store for that. And you can look out for control center. So you can go to the search, type in control center, and once you find control center, there are a bunch of control center available. You just need to download the one that you prefer and carefully grant the required permissions, especially accessibility and notification access as prompted. And you can select different styles like MIUI or iOS, colors and layouts for a completely new look. That should also probably work out for you if you want to do so. So that's it everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow for that. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.